How to fix Google Drive not showing on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Google Drive not showing on Android phone. First open settings and then scroll down until you find apps, and now click apps again, and here type Google Drive. Type here Drive and you will find it. Click on it and now click force stop, and then go to storage, clear cache, and that's it. Now go to permissions, allow all of those permissions here, and go to notifications. Maybe you will find it like that. Click allow, and that's it. Now your problems will be fixed, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.